Alright, so instructions. In a single command without using the cd command, use cat to output what's inside the terminator.txt. To accomplish this, in one command, use the full path command. Refer to the file directory image. Check the hint if you need help with writing out the full path. Okay, so here's the hint. Here's the full path. So I'm just going to type it out. So /home /user workspace movies sci-fi terminator.txt. Sci-fi movies. I didn't put action, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so in a single line, number 2, in a single line command, use cat to output what's inside Fight Club. Okay, so it says the current directory is movies, so we need to specify the path. We would then use cat with the argument comedy satire fight club.txt. Okay, so let's start off with home. User workspace. Movies. Comedy. Satire. Fightclub.txt. Alright. That's done. Okay, so let's move